Dealing with cloud cover in Longview and most of East Texas right now. This is out ahead of our next rainmaker, which is just to the west in the Dallas-Fort Worth area and pretty much south and northbound along I-35. There are your clouds right now. We'll discuss the location of the rain here in just a second. But as we look at your temperatures, it's been another comfortably warm day. Upper 60s, some lower 70s showing up as well. Lufkin is at 72. Center is at 70. Hemphill at 72. Other than that, we are in the middle to upper 60s. Now here's live Viper radar. You can see these showers setting up to the west. The majority of the activity still west of the Trinity River, so we're not really seeing a lot of rain. Some of this could be reaching the ground in Anderson County, but it will get heavier as the evening progresses along. So here's satellite and radar. Just a zoomed out look of it. We can see rain to our west, a front out to our west, and it's going to take a while for that front to get here. So we do have a couple of opportunities of rain over the next few days. I do think most of the severe weather will stay to our west. This is the day one or tonight's severe weather outlook. Marginal risk for our western counties, which pretty much means maybe some pocket changed hail, wind gust up to 60 miles per hour. But I think the majority of the storms that reach severe limits will be to the west of Interstate 35, obviously pretty far away from East Texas. But here's Futurecast. We'll continue to see a couple of showers in our western counties through 7 o'clock, probably not reaching our central counties, including the cities like Jacksonville, Tyler, and Longview until 8 o'clock. But by midnight, we're definitely seeing some rain, if not a lot of it. You can see in our western counties, pretty good rain falling there. We'll see a couple rounds of precipitation overnight. And before the sun rises tomorrow morning, I do expect a line of storms to be moving through East Texas from west to east. So the heaviest rain should fall before sunrise tomorrow, but it is likely we'll still see rain early tomorrow morning. But by 9 o'clock, the heaviest of the rain has moved off to the east into Louisiana, but we'll still see a few light to moderate showers at times in our southeastern counties. But Sabine, St. Augustine, and Shelby counties, they need to see a good rain tonight and tomorrow morning as well. Then we get a little break tomorrow afternoon. Saturday evening, it's not looking as bad as it did, let's say, with yesterday's model runs or the day before's model runs. We could see some clearing take place, but we're not out of the woods yet. Watch what happens as we move into Sunday. First, the clouds return. This is because that disturbance will be moving to the north and to the east, but we start to see some precipitation wrap around the low here, and we'll see another chance of rain Saturday or Sunday evening. So that will be something that we will have to watch. Here's the excessive rainfall outlook for tonight. It's a level 1 on a scale of 1 to 4. I doubt we'll see widespread flash flooding, but pockets of it certainly a possibility. Depends on how quickly we get that 1 to 2 inches of rainfall. Here's that weekend forecast. Best chance of rain Saturday morning, tapers off Saturday afternoon. High temperatures in the 60s. Those temps, they're barely going to budge throughout the day tomorrow. And then that Sunday high temperature, that has a lot to do with the cold front, and we'll only get to 60. But Sunday, that's the coolest I have our high temperatures over the next 7 days. We're cool, we're dry Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday with another chance of rain Thursday and Friday. As we look at Deep East Texas, same deal. Temperature-wise, we will be in the low to middle 60s Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. Drier Tuesday and Wednesday. For the latest weather forecast, you can head on over to KET.